Today I'm going to be showing you part 2 of how to crochet a sandal. But first I would like to introduce myself. My name is Akia and I am the instructor behind Iconic Trends. If you have not watched part 1 yet, you should go back and watch it. Part 1 is where I show you how to make the base of the sandal. Part 2, we are going to make the strap. For part 2, you will need the base of the shoe, some yarn, and a 5mm hook or a hook, whichever hook that you use for the base of the shoe. You will also need a yarn needle and a glue gun if you prefer to glue the fur on. So let's get started. This one we did 20 stitches. Okay, so first you'll need to find the middle of the top part of the shoe. From there you will count 10 on either side to make it even for the top part of the strap. So now we are going to count 20 to get to the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we want to get to the bottom of the strap, so we will count 11 on either side. Okay, so we're going to start from this way, from the back, the wrong side. Now you would grab your yarn and make a slip stitch into that first chain. Then you would chain 1. After you chain 1, place a single crochet into that same chain. Now make single crochets till you get to your second mark, which is the 11 stitches. Chain 1 and then turn. Okay, now make 12 rows of single crochet. Okay, so now I have completed 12 rows, and this is what it should look like from the front, but we are going to go from the back. So we're just going to slip stitch it into that hook, and then chain 1 and turn. We'll do that. I'm going to single crochet into that first one, and then single crochet, single crochet all the way down. So we single crocheted all the way down to the last one. Then you chain 1, pull, and cut. Then you would just weave in that end. So I don't weave it in anything any way particular, just weave it in. Pull that. Then just cut. It looks like that. And just turn it inside out. Turn back. And this is what it will look like. So from here, you could keep it like this. You can decorate it however you would like to decorate it. You can, you know, I will continue with how I made the O. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna make a whole bunch of these because these is just so cute. So I will show you how I made the O. I used fuzzy yarn to chain the O. To make the O, we would chain 20. And I'm using the 5mm hook, which isn't the hook that you're supposed to use, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna chain 20 and I'll be right back. So here's my chain 20. And what I'm going to do is I am going to, you can either sew it or glue it. I am going to hot glue it because I don't feel like sewing, especially fuzzy yarn, like not today. So just fluff it out, kind of like manipulate it to get to how you want it to look. So I want it to be like that. Then you cut. I'm gonna cut this off, and then I'm gonna place it right there. So I got my glue gun, and I'm just gonna place the first one where I want that at. So like that. And then just go around where I want to place the O at. I'm gonna cut this to and connect them right here. So I'm gonna glue a piece right here. Okay. Glue this together. That. And I'm gonna put a piece, some glue right here. Since I have the shape now, I'm just gonna glue all the way around. So. Okay. And just keep going all the way around until you're all finished. Now they are all finished. If you like this tutorial, please leave me a comment, like, and subscribe. I'm probably gonna decorate them more. I think I'm gonna do these like little flowers or butterflies. But yeah, let me know what you think of the tutorial. And I will see you next time.